Welcome to 10 Things You Need to Know When Starting a New Zealand Business. My name is Kirsten Hawke and I'm the founder of Business Buddy. The most important thing to remember when starting a business is getting the right structure set up for you. This could be a company, a sole trader, a partnership, or a trust. There are a number of company structures that you can use. Close company, look-through company are the main ones. Sole trader, this is where you're just operating under your own name, and a partnership is when you're going into business with somebody else. You can also operate under a trust structure. Which one you choose is really dependent on your personal circumstances and what you want to achieve out of your company. When you're looking to sell or exit the business, how many others are involved with you, the level of income, and the number of shareholders and directors. You may also be governed by regulation in your industry as to which structure you can operate under. Income tax. When you set up, you need to apply for an IRD number if you're a company, a partnership, or a trust. If you're operating as a sole trader, you'll use your personal IRD number. Tax will be payable on the profit of the business. If you're registered with a New Zealand tax agent, you will not need to pay your income tax for up to 1 year after the end of the tax year. However, if you find that you are paying more than $2,500 worth of tax, you fall into what's called the provisional tax regime, and you'll need to make prepayments for the following year, usually over 3 periods. GST, if you earn over $60,000 or are planning on earning over $60,000 within the next 12 months, then you need to register for GST. There's a couple of ways you can, a couple of bases for GST. That's the main ones being the payment and the invoice basis. And usually we recommend on the payments basis. This is where the cash actually follows the GST liability. ACC. This provides personal injury cover for New Zealanders, and it's based on the classification system that your business is registered with. In terms of paying ACC under your business, you will get an invoice once your tax return has been filed, and you'll also get billed for a year in advance as well. This is a very complicated area, and you should also look at talking to your insurance broker to make sure that you're covered appropriately, especially in your first years of business. Payroll, if you're planning on employing people or employing yourself through the payroll system, then you need to register this with IRD, and you also need to make sure that you've got a really good system in place. We recommend smartpayroll.com. Getting paid yourself as a sole trader, basically any money left over is yours to use. As a company, you've got a number of different options, whether you pay yourself through a payroll system and deduct PAYE, or take out drawings and use a shareholder's salary. Again, there's advantages and disadvantages to both of these. Getting paid as a business, you make sure that you bank any of your cash received straight away. Make sure you get your bills out straight away as well. Ideally, you're running a business whereby you're paid as soon as the job is done, or even better, in advance. However, make sure that those invoices get out regularly. I can't stress that enough, and do that through your accounting system. So anything that can invoice directly on the spot is the best. Make sure that you have your terms of trade up to date and that you regularly chase up your debtors. We also recommend that you have 2 bank accounts, a normal operating account and then also a savings account. And we recommend that you put up to 30% of your revenue of anything that you invoice into the savings account, and you can use that then to pay your GST and your other tax, your income tax. Highly recommend a great accounting system right from day one, something that's going to grow with you. We certainly recommend Xero as a cloud-based accounting system. Also make sure that you surround yourself with an expert team. You want at least an accountant, a lawyer and an insurance broker, and also a business mentor as well, worth the investment. Thank you.